If you want to grow on Twitter X in 2026 without spending hours posting manually every single day, this tool might completely change the way you manage social media. Today, I'm showing you how to use Circleboom, one of the most popular Twitter and X management platforms right now. And honestly, this tool does a lot more than most people expect. Circleboom started mainly as a Twitter management tool, but now it supports multiple platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Threads, and more. The main goal of Circleboom is simple. It helps you schedule content, manage followers, automate posts, and organize your social media accounts from one dashboard. When you first open Circleboom, the setup process is pretty easy. You create an account, connect your social media profiles, and then you can start managing everything in one place. One of the biggest features is the post scheduler. You can create tweets, threads, images, and posts in advance, then schedule them automatically for later. This is extremely useful for creators, businesses, and anyone trying to stay consistent online. Another popular feature is the AI content generator. Circleboom uses AI tools to help you create captions, tweets, and post ideas faster, which can save a lot of time if you struggle with content ideas. The platform also has Canva integration, so you can design graphics and publish them directly without downloading files manually. For Twitter X users specifically, Circleboom has advanced tools that many other schedulers do not offer. You can analyze followers, detect fake or inactive accounts, unfollow users who do not follow you back, delete old tweets in bulk, and even clean up your account history using Twitter archives. A lot of creators use these tools to improve engagement and organize their accounts more professionally. Another useful feature is RSS automation. You can connect blog feeds or websites and automatically turn them into social media posts, which is great for businesses, news pages, and content creators. Based on reviews online, most users really like how beginner-friendly Circleboom is and how many tools are included in one platform. A lot of people also praise the scheduling system and Twitter management features because they save hours of manual work every week. But to keep this tutorial honest, there are some downsides too. Some users online complain about pricing, especially if you only need basic features. Others mention confusion between Circleboom Publish and Circleboom Twitter Management because they work like separate products. There are also mixed reviews about billing and support response times, especially on lower plans, so it is definitely smart to start with the free version before paying for a long subscription. My honest opinion is that Circleboom is one of the best tools in 2026 for people who are serious about Twitter X growth and social media automation. It is especially useful for creators, marketers, and businesses that post regularly and need analytics, scheduling, and account management tools in one place. But if you only use social media casually, some features may feel unnecessary. Overall, though, Circleboom is powerful, beginner-friendly, and packed with automation features that can save a huge amount of time once you learn how to use it properly. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more honest AI and social media tool breakdowns in 2026, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the next tool you want me to review.